This is ECB253 controller from district control. This controller is also called as a standalone controller, where you can see the inputs and outputs points, and also the display unit where which you can see the communicated device, the field devices. So this is one knob where you can navigate. Here you will see you can navigate here in the screen with this knob, like moving like this you can navigate. One button is also called here the exit button, where you can come out. So this knob contain one push button also. If I move like this and I go these points, okay, this is the points tab. If I go there and click push button like this, the points will come. The points are hardware inputs, hardware outputs, analog values, binary values, and COM inputs. So first I am checking with the hardware inputs what are the input devices connected with this controller. So first is the supply fan status. This controller is connected with the AHU, air handling unit. So first you see the supply fan status. This is the dimmer where the status coming from the pre-filter, back filter, and fan status. So supply temperature is in Fahrenheit. Fourth is the static pressure. You can see the pressure now. Pressure is very less because AHU is off now. Return temperature. This is the bug value. Return humidity 1.8. This is the hardware output. In hardware output you can see the heater stages. Now heater is off. Hardware output is inactive, not connected. Cooling valve is 0%. Cooling valve is not open. VFD is now 0% and supply fan command is off because we have not operated right now. This is the analog value. You can see analog value set point. Whatever the set point, we have to keep the pressure set point in H2O. VFD signal is now. The heater set point is like Celsius now 5. Supply temperature now here is you can see 19 degrees Celsius. Supply means whatever we are supplying through the duct inside the rooms. And another is the return temperature here. You can see return temperature is 23. Means 23 degrees Celsius. The air is coming back. Other is the binary values. Binary values you can see the supply fan VFD trip. If trip will come, alarm will show here. Another is pre-filter, back filter. The filter is dirty or clean. Now clean. Fourth is the AHU command, start and stop. So this AHU command will energize this relay. You can see the relay is available here. Another is the COM port, where the Ethernet is connected with the sub port thermostat, where you can find the room temperature. So I have connected one thermostat here. The room temperature is 27.5. So one operation is from the controller side and one operation is from this thermostat side. So if I can give the operate command from here, the relay will energize and the AHU will switch on. So this is the AHU unit. You can see this is VFD. VFD is of 7.5 kilowatt, 3 phase. This is the control panel. This is the whole AHU where we will give the command. You can see the motor and fan inside. You can see the different type of sensors available, like duct and humidity sensor. This is the supply temperature where the air will flow. This is for the supply fan status. Supply fan is running or not. Now you will see there fan is not running, that's why status is showing off. This is DPS. This is the cooling valve. If you like to more cool, then we have to open the valve. Automatically it will open and the water will flow from here. Back side also I will show you. This is for the pre-filter and back filter, which is inside this panel. If it open, not connected properly. This is the pre-filter. This is the back filter, not connected here now. So you can see the pipes available here. So with this we can identify the pre-filter, back filter is clean or dirty. These are the field devices. One device also I will show you. This is the heater. This is the heater part where we want heating, then it will heat. Now this all connected to our DTC panel. You can see here. From here we can give command and it will operate accordingly. So now I am giving command from here. You have to click the center button. After center button you see a stop is here. If I click upside, start coming, then I again click center button. Now see, the relay energizes. The VFD start now frequency is 19.21 Hz. So VFD started now. I will show you here also. See, now the speed is increasing according to the pressure, static pressure. Now you will see this is the fan. Now I started running. You can see here. If I show you in our controller side, you can see the analog values, supply temperature, VFD coming here, pressure is set point here. You can go back by this. Now go in the binary. If you like to stop from here, you have to override it. You have to go at the start. You have to click on this. Now again go to override, then stop. Now this is overridden situation. By overridden situation we have switch off the AHU. You can see AHU is now frequency is decreasing, and now motor is off here. You can see here also motor is off because we are using VFD now. That's why instantly it stops. Again, if you want to give command from here, you can't give. Why? Because we have done overridden here. If we override here, we can't give command from our thermostat. We have to come again here in the binary values, go start stop, click here, again override, then start. Now if you go in the analog values, you can see starting. So this is controller ECB253. You can also, we are communicating with this backnet. You can see plus net, plus minus net. The protocol is backnet. So we have connected with our program also. I will show you the program. So this is the overall program. You can see the AHU is now start, final status is now running. If you see the frequency, now 20 Hz frequency is here, and if you see the static pressure is 0.25 in S2O. So the set point is 15 degrees Celsius. Return temperature is here showing because the block is connected wrong, so I have to rectify it. This is the heater set point. So this is the overall programming this AHU.